wind's been blowing like crazy. Don't know how well you can see it, but there's limbs laying all over the snow. We're getting a little bit of rain now, and then it's supposed to snow tomorrow. See the trees blowing. Pretty windy. Here's another view of all the limbs that are down. Most of this is just small stuff. But I'm gonna go take a walk back through the woods and see if I got any trees down back there. A lot of limbs down, but so far it's all small stuff, so that's a good thing. But I'm just now getting into the woods. Looks like some turkey tracks. This time of year they usually have they're in flocks. I can't tell if that's one or two, but I see looks like it might be two of them walking side by side. Hard to tell. Looks like it might have been four. Looks like there was two that came down there across the creek. And then there's another trail right here where it looks like two more came across. One goes this way, the other one splits off there. Last year they were roosting back here in these trees, but I don't see any turkey droppings anywhere, so they were just probably passing through. Looks like a couple more came up right here, so that's probably about 6 altogether. They went back that way. These are old tracks. Creek is flowing pretty good. Last time I was here it was iced over, but it's opened up. Got a pretty good flow of water going. Just found a little bit of deer hair. It's kind of funny just seeing it right here. You would think it would be on the barbed wire where they crossed the fence, but that's weird. Got some small tracks here. They're pretty well filled in with snow, but I would guess that's probably a fox. Last time I was out here, there was fox tracks all over back here. Oh, woodpecker's really been tearing that tree up. He's been having a good old time on that tree. I got my snowshoes on. It's not helping much. We had rain most of yesterday, and the top layer of snow is froze. You can see my stick here. That's still pretty deep. I'll tell you what, you could not sneak up on anything out here wearing these snowshoes. It's just a crust of ice on top of the snow. Makes it hard walking. But back up here where I saw the turkey tracks, looks like the deer been yarding up back here. There's tracks all back under this big white pine. Gives them pretty good shelter. You can see here under this tree, same thing. They've been yarding up under these big trees. Those pine boughs gives them some pretty good shelter. Here's where I stretched my string to mark the property line where I can start putting up T-posts. Probably won't be till springtime, but at least I got the string stretched so I know where to put my T-post. My driveway is pretty much just ice. Like I said, we had rain all day yesterday, and then of course freezing temperatures today. So it's all pretty froze. Finally got the Super A where it was warm enough yesterday. Or no, what day was it? Thursday, I think. Thursday it was about 45. So I was able to get the Super A out here and push this snow a little more. I'll tell you, that snow blade really rolls the snow good. I was trying to plow this with that rear blade, and that thing just, it doesn't push snow worth a crap. I worked 2 days and only got like a 4-foot trail through here. And then, I believe it was Thursday, I came out here with the Super A and got it widened up. And like I said, it just rolls that snow. It works pretty good. I'm standing at the road. Some of the snow I pushed there and a pile over here, but it's 3/10 of a mile from where the driveway starts at the road till you get down here to the trailer. And there's a few more limbs that fell. I didn't find any trees down, just mostly small limbs, so I don't have to worry about cleaning up any trees. But you can see this driveway is just a solid sheet of ice. Hopefully I'll be able to get out of here